Living the dream, huh?
Yep.
All right, all the way to the right. We're going to go through the orange cone on the right-hand side. There you go. Yep, aim for it. And we're going to more throttle. Unwind the wheel to the right. Full throttle. You see the orange cone on the right. A little bit more throttle. Far left. Left, left, left. 1, 2, turn. There you go. It's a little bit more. Start squeezing. Unwind the wheel to the right. Full throttle. He's cheating. He got a turbo on that. All right, back to the right. We have unwind the wheel to the right while squeezing. Good. When you're unwinding, start to squeeze, okay? Hand side. Go ahead, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Keep going. Brake. Stay. Guide me there. A little bit more throttle. More. You got it. More. Good. 1, 2, turn. A little bit more throttle. Start to squeeze. Squeeze. There you go. And then I don't know if anyone told you, just as a reminder,